I'll show you exactly how to change your initials in Microsoft PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint on your computer and wait for the start screen to appear. If a presentation opens instead, that's fine. The next step is the same either way. Click the File tab in the top left corner. That jumps you into the Backstage view. The screen changes from your slides to a full-width menu, and the left side becomes a vertical list. Scroll down if you need to. At the bottom of that left-hand menu, click Options. The PowerPoint Options window opens, and it should land on the General tab by default. If it doesn't, click General in the left column. On the right side, find the section called Personalize Your Copy of Microsoft Office. It's near the top, usually right above Office Background and Office Theme. There are two fields here, username and initials. The username is the full display name, and initials is the short badge that shows up in comments and review remarks. That's the one you want. I've seen people change the username by accident here because the two boxes sit so close together. Click inside the initials field. The box may be blank, or it may already have a letter or two from when Office was installed. If there's already something there, press Ctrl-A to select all of it. Then just type over the selection. I'm putting in JD for this example. Use 2 capital letters unless you actually want lowercase. I leave out periods because PowerPoint stores the letters exactly as you type them. When they show up in a small comment badge, periods just add clutter. Now click OK at the bottom right of the Options window. Don't close it with the X in the corner because that cancels the change instead of saving it. The window closes and drops you back on the slide. There's no Save button and no Restart. PowerPoint applies this immediately. Let's verify it where it actually appears. Click Review in the ribbon, then click New Comment. The comment card that opens uses your full username, and the small initials badge on it shows the new letters. Press Escape to close that comment without leaving one behind. Now 2 quick follow-ups while you're already in here. If the full name next to your initials is wrong, go back to File, Options, General. It's the username field directly above the initials field, same window, same OK button, and if there were already comments in the deck before the change, those old badges keep the previous initials. New comments will use the ones you just set. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.